Welcome back, folks. McLaurins Welding. All right, I got a new project today. My catalytic converter. I just got a new one in the mail from Amazon. And I'm going to save me some money by welding it myself. Now this one, my old one, the reason why I know it's bad, because I had just recently got dual exhaust. And there's pieces of my catalytic converter that was in my old muffler. So I checked, I saw it in my old muffler and it came out my new tailpipe. So on the inside of this, the honeycomb done broke up. So I'm gonna challenge myself. I never welded one on myself, but it seems like I got enough room in here where I can get the good top weld up here. See, that's what you want. You want to make sure you weld, when you're doing a catalytic converter, welding it solid all the way around. The side's easy, but the top got to be solid because you have an exhaust sleeve if you don't. So I'm gonna go in and cut this baby off and get back with you. McLaurins Welding. All right, guys, just cut the old cat off. I use saws off from Harbor Freight, 120 volts. And this is how you know your cat is messed up. Now, let me see. Let me shine the light in there. Let me get a light. All right. You can look inside and see. You see where the honeycomb broke up in pieces. And that was coming out my exhaust. So it did need replaced. This was a little small exhaust leak I had. Scottish mufflers, they put exhaust sealing on it. And actually they told me I didn't need a cat. But the guys around the corner, the Mexican around the corner, said I needed a cat. So I'ma just try to do it myself, man. So I gotta go to the store, buy me one of these O2 sensor bongs, cause my new catalytic converter didn't come with one. So look, I'ma drill a hole in it like this and weld. I gotta go to the parts store and buy a bone and weld it on there. That way I can screw my new O2 sensor back in. So I'll get back with you, McLaurins Welding. All right, guys. I got my pipe, got all my fittings set up right. That's the new converter. Got all my pipes all cleaned up. So I'm gonna take it off and pre-weld this pipe on right here. And then I'm gonna tack me a nut right here. What's called an O2 sensor bung. It's a nut that the O2 sensor screws in. And then I'll be ready to set this back up like I got it. And then I'll put finish welds here and here. Seal the system right on up. McLaurins Welding. That's what you want right there. A completely sealed weld. That's my extension I just welded on. No burn throughs. You get the right heat and the right speed. That's what you come out with. Alright, now I'm gonna put my my O2 sensor adapter gonna go here, my O2 sensor bone. Alright, got my part back. Got my part from Advanced Auto Parts. It's just really a nut, but they call it O2 sensor bone. The O2 sensor screws on in here. So on a universal catalytic converter, I'm gonna have to tack it right here and weld it, but I'm gonna have to drill a hole. So I'll show you how that turned out after these messages. All right, folks, welcome back. McLaurins Welding. Finished product. I just finished welding my catalytic converter on. And I can say I'm very proud of myself, man. I took my time. I did it. exhaust leaks. I had to tack a couple places to fix that, but part of the job, man. You want to make sure you feeling no. Sorry about the camera. I just want to get y'all good. You want to make sure you ain't feeling no airflow. And I don't feel none, man. I even had, that's my see the O2 sensor. I welded a nut on. So that smoke is from that liquid wrench I've been spraying. Man, I'm proud of myself, man. Got the job done. Can't do it without Jesus, man. I want to put him first. Give me the mind and the motivation to do these things. So, over and out. McLaurins Welding. Peace.